Hi, third graders. Yesterday and the day before, y'all learned about fractions on a number line where if you're given the number line, you can write the fraction. And today we're going to work on writing the fraction if we have, drawing the number line if we have the fraction. So there is one very important rule that we have to remember when we are partitioning. Remember, partition means break into equal parts a number line, and that is that our number lines have to be broken into equal parts. So if I'm given a fraction like 1/2 and I want to represent it on a number line, I know that my fraction is between 1 and 1/2, or 0 and 1/2, and I'm going to break it into 2 equal parts. So 2 equal parts. And then I know that I want to mark 1/2 one space in. So I can draw my 1/2 there. Okay. The same strategy we used to figure out what our fractions were on our number lines, we can also use to help us mark our number lines as well. So if I have this fraction, 3/4, I can draw my number line. I'm going to break between 0 and 1 because I'm within 1/2. And I'm going to partition it into 4 equal parts. Okay. I know my parts are pretty equal. They look like they're about the same size. And I'm going to take a different color marker. This is like using your pencil on your paper. And I'm going to draw a line across the top. And now I know I need to shade in 3 of my pieces. 1, 2, 3 pieces. So that's where I'm going to mark my fraction, 3/4. Let's do another example like that. Okay. I'm going to draw a number line. Going to put it between 0 and 1. And then I want to find the fraction 4/5. So now I'm going to partition my number line into 5 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and they're pretty close to being equal. I'm going to draw a line across the top, and I'm going to shade in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can mark my 4/5 on the number line. Okay, I'm going to give you another one to practice. This time I want you to practice it all by yourself, and you can check back with me to see if you got your answer correct. Okay, this time I want you to draw a number line on your paper that represents the fraction 2/5. So draw that right now on your paper, pause this video, and then come back when you think you have the answer. Okay, if you think you found the answer, you would have drawn a number line that looks like this. You're going to break it into 0, 1, so it's between 1 and 1/2, and then you're going to partition or break your number line into 5 equal parts. So now I have 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and I'm going to draw a line across the top to make my fraction bar, and now I'm going to shade in 2 of those parts. 1, 2, so I can label my fraction bar, or my number line right here as 2/5. And try one more all together, or on your own. Okay, this time I want you to label 5/6 on your number line. So you're going to pause the video, draw it on yourself, draw it by yourself, and then unpause the video when you have an answer. Okay? If you wrote this on your paper, between 0 and 1/2, and you're breaking it into 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're going to draw your line across the top, shade in 5, And then you have the answer 5, 6. This is what your number line should look like. Okay, so right now I need y'all to go onto Schoology and do fractions on a number line practice.